Hello, my name is Jonathan Carroll, and I am an ADD, ADHD, and executive functioning coach. For more information on my work, you can visit my website at www.adhdcoachchicago.com. Today's topic is ADD, ADHD, and medication. Here are some tips to help you be more successful using medication as an intervention. One question I get asked most often is, how do I feel about medication as an intervention for ADD and ADHD? Well, the first thing I like to say is that I am not a doctor. So it's very difficult for me to discuss specifics of medication from a medical standpoint. But I can discuss it from a practical standpoint. Medication can be an effective intervention when used with other interventions. So what does that mean? A lot of people view medications for ADD and ADHD as a magic pill, as an instant cure for some of the side effects of ADD and ADHD, which it can be. However, some of the important life skills are not available to people because they are not used to using these things for ADD and ADHD. Let me give you an example. I'll get a client that will start medication and the parent will tell me that, oh, my kid is so much calmer, they seem so much more focused, they're less fidgety, and they're able to do things that they weren't able to do before. And quite honestly, that's a wonderful thing to hear. But with those strategies and with those changes in the individual, what often happens sometimes is that they're getting calmer, and again, they're having some real positive things happen, but some of the skills they need to develop aren't there. So you'll get someone who's able to focus more, but doesn't know what he or she is going to focus on. So my recommendation to anybody going on medication are two things. The first thing is that if you are going to go on medication, you should always regularly check in with the prescribing doctor. Describe side effects, describe positive attributes, negative attributes, things like that, so that way the medication can be adjusted accordingly. The second thing I recommend is having other interventions in place to help supplement the medication. What are some of those interventions? Well, I'd like to say that ADD and ADHD coaching is a wonderful idea, or working with a professional that's going to help you help teach the skill set that's been missing from the person who's taking the medication. That is a really important thing to do. Again, don't view the medication as the magic pill. Use the medication with other interventions to try to better yourself along. For more information on my work, you can visit my website at www.adhdcoachchicago.com. That's www.adhdcoachchicago.com. You can send me an email to Jonathan, Jonathan, at ADHDEFcoach.com. You can call me at area code 773-888-ADHD, 773-888-2343, or you can follow me on Twitter at ADHDEFcoach. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you soon.